Hi coders, get bored while coding and need a 5 minutes break to chill? Well, I have got something fun for you. Today I'm going to show you one of the best website where you can play free games online.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
It's called Poki.com. If you love quick browser based games without downloading anything, then you are going to enjoy this video. Poki is a free online gaming website where you can play thousands of games directly in your browser. You don't need to install anything, just open the website and start playing. It works on both PC and mobile, so you can enjoy your favorite games anytime, anywhere. The best part of this website is variety of games on Poki. You will find action, adventure games, puzzles and brain teasers, racing and sports, multiplayer games to play with your friends, and even classic like Subway Surf and Temple Run. Poke is popular because it's completely free, safe to use, and doesn't require heavy downloads. The game loads instantly and new games are added regularly, so you never get bored. There is always something new to try. Let me quickly show you how it looks. So just open your browser and search here Poki. This one. Click over this button, Poki.com website. The homepage shows trending games, popular categories and recommendations. You just click any game, wait for a second and you are ready to play. So let's try with Subway Surf here. Just wait for a few seconds and boom, it is now ready to play. Let's try it. So like that we have lots of games here. Subway Surf, Temple Run is also there. These are the trending games and popular categories are here, and also recommended games are also there. So next time you are doing coding and need a break, try Poki.com and relax with some fun games. I drop the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon so you never miss out on cool websites and gaming tips. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.